Good morning, children. Today we will learn the Narayana revision classes T of class 7. See here, class 7 Narayana revision classes T dated 7th of July. Social studies topic is reading maps of different kinds. How many kinds of maps are there? Physical map, political map, thematic map, like these different kinds of maps are there. So reading, how to read these maps? With the help of the symbols, with the help of the directions, by using all these things, how we will read the maps, that is the main concept of this particular lesson. Based upon that, the first assignment has been given to you. So you know very well, in a map usually they use different symbols. What are the symbols that we use? We use a point symbol, we use a line symbol, we use a demarcating area, that is like this we use the area symbol. Like this different symbols are used to denote different objects in the map. So based upon that the questions are given to you. Please answer these questions. Children, very easy for you. So now my first question is point symbol. That is used for representing different which type of object. Okay. So listen here. In your map, in the map they have shown the partner. So partner is shown using which symbol? Is it a point symbol or a line symbol or area symbol? That is the question. Patna is what? Patna is the capital city of Bihar. So all the capital cities, they are marked with a dot, that is point. Hence Patna is shown with the point symbol. Patna is shown with what? The point symbol. What is that option? Option C, point symbol. Option C, point symbol is the answer for that particular question. Okay, children. And see here, these wherever you go. For example, if I say that you come to my house, take a bus, descend down near the bus stop, go straight, take left, and come straight, then go back, take U-turn, means you cannot understand, right? But if I say specifically go north 2-3 kilometers, then go east for 1.5 kilometer, then you will find a school, and near the school is our house. Like that, if I say, that means directions and symbols, symbol and distance, all these are very important for the map. So here, based upon that, the question is the directions are very important. The directions are very important in which one? In a picture, in a sketch, or in a map? In which one this is very important? I told you that it is very important in a map. In a very important in a map. So not sketch means without having a direction, without having any distance. Right, scale. But the map is with a scale and a direction. Hence, direction is very essential in a map. That is why see here, whatever the map that you will see, they will be showing with a symbol that is north. Like this, they will be showing the symbol. Means this side is north and this side is south. Like that you can understand. Always they will be showing the north side. So directions are very important in a map. Right, children? And now, suppose if you want to show any river, what is the symbol that can be used? River Godavari is shown with which symbol? Already I told you, that is a line symbol. Line symbol is used for showing the rivers or railway tracks, like this. So, river Godavari is shown with the help of the symbol, that is line symbol. Option C, line symbol is the right answer. Line symbol, that is the answer for that question. Option C, line symbol. Okay children, the districts are states, they are demarcated. For example, if you see the India map like this, in this India map, they will be showing that is Kerala like this, and Tamil Nadu like this, or Karnataka like this, and Telangana like this, from then onwards Andhra Pradesh like this. That means these like this, when they are demarcating the states or districts, when they are showing the differences in the districts or the states, like this, when they are demarcating the districts with symbols or with different colors, these symbols are known as what symbols? These are known as the real symbols. What do we call them as the? We call them as the real symbol. That is option B, real symbol. Real symbol is the one. Usually we call that as the, we will be using the area symbols for this, for showing these districts or states are like that, and here we call them as the real symbols. The symbols that are used are called as the real symbols. So next one is, see here the rainfall pattern or population of a particular area. What are these representing? Or the maps that are explaining about the population or climate of a particular area. What do we call them as? We call them as the thematic maps. Theme, a particular theme is explained. That is why we call them as the thematic maps. What is meant by the thematic maps? A particular theme, like a population or rainfall or literacy. Like this, everything is taken. One particular theme or one particular object is taken and discussed. So we call them as the thematic maps. We call them as the thematic maps. Now children, to understand the directions, we need to understand what are the cardinal points and what are very, very important. And based upon that, to know the directions, they have asked a question. That is, see, if you see the Andhra Pradesh map, you will be finding Vijayawada here and Visakhapatnam here. This is Visakhapatnam and this is Vijayawada. So, if you are traveling from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam, in which direction you are traveling? That is the question. Which direction you are traveling? You are traveling from south. This is north and this is south. So, you are traveling from south to north. You are traveling from south to north. That is option B. Option B, south to north. That is the answer for that. South to north you are traveling to reach the area that is from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam. Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam. Okay children. Now you are asked to draw the rough map of Andhra Pradesh. Try to learn that with the help of your map book. Already you are having the map books. So try to learn that with the help of the map book. Anyway, just now I have drawn this. Roughly you can draw the map and the map also should have all the dimensions, that is north, south, east and west. Like this you can show the and draw the map, right children? And symbols, you need to explain the symbols and the directions. Just now I told you how many symbols are there. Point symbol is there. Next one, what is the next one? Line symbol is there and area symbol is there. Point symbol for capitals and this line symbol for rivers, railway tracks, etc. Area for states, districts, etc. Next coming one is directions. What are the directions? There are four corner directions: north, south, east, west. At the same time, the other ones are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. These are the directions. Right, children? So we can say that 8 very important directions are there. That is north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Southeast, southwest. Right, children? These are the different topics for today. Tomorrow we'll meet with one more assignment key. Until then children, good day and have a nice day. Thank you.